Today we're going to extend the washing machine drain hose, and this is clear inch and quarter vinyl tubing. So I have used this in the past and had success with it, and it has a big inside diameter that matches the washing machine. Now I'm going to fit the lines in the back of the washing machine. Now that fitting on the back of the clothes washer is plastic, and I'm assuming that it's not that durable, so I'm going to heat the line up here so it fits on there without using any kind of force. And I'm going to add a hose clamp on there to make sure that stays on there and doesn't leak. Next I'm going to lift the washing machine up and make sure I do it so that the hose doesn't break that fitting on there. So I'm taking my time, making sure we don't put any undue stress on the drain hose fitting that we just attached the drain hose to. Okay, so we did that. We got that all done. Not any major catastrophes. Now this hose is 10 foot long, and for me this worked out great. I bought two of them because I thought I was going to use more than one, but one was the correct length and I didn't have to cut it. Now I'm going to use the original drain line to hook onto the clear vinyl tubing. Now the piece of 3/4 inch PVC here, it's a little too big, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece off of that to attach to my drain line that came with the clothes washer. So I tried to pick a piece of pipe that matched the inside diameter of the original discharge. We'll put that in the original discharge hose and tighten that up with a hose clamp. We don't want to make sure there's no leaking. And the same thing here, I'm going to heat the vinyl tubing up so that I can push the PVC pipe into the tubing. Well, I couldn't force that in there, but heating it up makes it slide on there. And we just need to heat that a little bit. We don't need to heat it very much. And the vinyl tubing slides right on to the 3/4 inch PVC. And you can also use some WD-40 to help slide that pipe onto the PVC. But heating the pipe up works pretty good. So I have my vinyl tubing attached to my original washing machine drain line. And we'll feed that up behind the laundry tub. And we're going to attach this, secure it so it doesn't push its way out of the laundry tub. And so far everything's working out great. Now I'm going to add a hose clamp onto this fitting. I'm going to add two hose clamps onto here so I don't have to take one back to the home center. I bought one too many, so I'm going to use it up here. And I'm pretty sure that fitting's not going to leak. So 2 hose clamps on there. So I'm going to attach the original drain line to the laundry tub. Now I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to change my mind where I wanted to put it. So I'm gonna have to cut the strap there and re-put it on. Let's cut that and pull it on. Readjust my drain line. And retighten the plastic strap. Now you can see I have another washing machine going into the other side of the tub there. So I'm adding another washing machine to the setup. Alright, everything is set. Happy the way that's angled, and it's going to push water into the tub. Here's the installation. All the way back to the clothes washer. And we've extended that by 10 foot across the floor. And last thing to do is check for leaks. Drained good, and there was no leaks in the line. So that's how we extended our washing machine drain line by 10 feet.